welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making one of my favorite things, and that is roasted Brussels sprouts. And a lot of you know and love this recipe also because I share it on Instagram all the time, but for the first time I'm going to bring the recipe. It's so simple and easy to do to YouTube, so yay, finally. So what you're going to need, I'm going to show you everything that you need here. You need a roasting pan, obviously a knife. Where are my Brussels sprouts? I thought I just grabbed them. Right here. Obviously need some Brussels sprouts. You'll need a red onion. I add pecans and some of your favorite seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, whatever you want to spice it with. And I use avocado oil or olive oil, whatever cooking oil that you like to bake with. So, and a strainer. Have that sitting in my sink. My oven is already set to 375, and let's get started. So now I'm going to cut up about a third of this half of onion. Peel off a layer here. And super easy, nothing fancy, you just want some slices. To put the Brussels sprouts in the oven for about 20 minutes. Depending on your oven, you want to check after 20 minutes or so to see how brown they are and if they're to your liking, but they should be done. I used to put the baking sheet in the oven while the oven was preheating. That way, like as soon as you put the vegetables on the pan, any type of vegetable, it kind of gives it that sizzle and starts the cooking process and the browning process right away. I got lazy and didn't do it today, but just be careful. It is a hot pan when you bring it out, so use your gloves and then, you know, be safe with putting the vegetables on there while the pan is hot. And then I also used to do it at 400 degrees. I don't know if it's this oven, but I put it down to 375 so they wouldn't brown too fast and they could get cooked a little bit more evenly and then just nice and toasted. And the pecans just add a really nice rich flavor to the Brussels sprouts, and yes, you guys will see. So and I will be back in about 18 minutes. Okay guys, so the timer just stopped. Ooh, they look really good. Oh wow, perfect. It'll be fine on the counter. All right. That absolutely perfect. 20 minutes, 375. Beautiful. I did get like a little burnt one over here, but that's okay. Beautiful. Look at this chicken, y'all. Chicken breast and fire roasted tomatoes. So I am about to plate my food and I'll be right back. You guys can't see me. Okay, so I got my plate here, my water, and I'm going to eat. This looks so good. Yum. Should have put you guys right there. Take a sip of water. Let me try the chicken. So tender. It's been slow cooking for probably 10 hours. At least 8. When did I put this in? 6? No, 10 o'clock? Maybe 10 o'clock? Mmm. Mm-hmm. Tender and juicy. And the tomatoes just add a little something extra. I think I did that on accident one day or something. I don't know. But it's one of my favorite meals. Or ways to make chicken. Really good. And then the Brussels sprouts, I want to mention, I have it as a side dish like this, or I put this same recipe on top of a bed of lettuce, a chopped salad like kale, romaine, spinach. I chop it up really good. Maybe I'll add an apple, some cranberries, chicken or not. I've even done it with potatoes roasted, all of that on a big salad, and it's really, really good. So try these. Even though they look and smell amazing. Ooh, those onions are good today. And the pecans add a flavor on their own. I've grown to really love pecans and the flavor that they add to not only savory foods but even desserts. So excuse me, I'm gonna finish dinner, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna talk with food in my mouth. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed cooking with me today, and let me know in the comments if you try this over the holiday or whenever. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Christmas feels so lovely.